Hello everyone, this is Alan from Lilton Foster Laser Science and Technology Limited. And the next, we will introduce our best-selling one, 1390. Not only about this, we have different model about CO2 laser cutting machine. Not only this one, we have other model about 4060, 1390, 1325, and so on. And the next we will introduce this one. This one is 1390. This is our best selling one. And this color is blue and white. And this is a detail about this machine. This is high and long and wide. And this working area is 1,300 and 900 millimeter. And this one we will introduce the aluminum knife. If you want to cutting the acrylic and the wood and so on, you can choose this one. And about the laser head, this is single laser head. And if you want to, and or more laser head, it can be customized. And this picture will show you the handicraft work table. And if you want to cutting the clothes and the laser, and you can use this one. But this one, this is handicraft work table. And if you want to cutting the laser and the clothes and other thin soft materials, you can choose this one. And this picture, we will show you the laser head. We will show you the laser head. The high precision retractable laser head. It's easy to adjust the focal length. It's very it's equipped with red light positioning system. This is the autofocus. And if our customer want to install it, you can open this one. And this is red light. The next picture, we will show you the laser tube. And we use the famous laser tube. It's long life, stable power. And the brand is EFR RECI-CDWG. Yunli, Joy. You can choose different brand CO2 laser tube. And on the left, the picture is brand stepper motor with high option, actually high temperature, with high speed and low noise. And on the right of the picture is driver. And this picture is lens. We use the USA 26 imported to USA with high precision and high speed. And this is brand built. The brand is all in key. and then low noise, good stability. And this is a famous brand light switch. This is limiter switch. And this is a leading chain. The function is keep the laser head from shaking. And this is selector. It's easy to adjust the path. And this three switch. And this is emergency switch. Emergency stop. And this is LED, and this is key switch, and so on. And this is mainboard, multi-language in LCD panel. This is radar system. It's very easy to operate under the system. And it's very easy to learn. It's very simple. And use the software is RDWorks V8. And it supports 15 different languages. And it can compatible with many other software, like CorelDRAW, Photoshop, AutoCAD, and so on. And you can use this software to design. And this software supports the first is AIDXF, PLT, and DSG, and so on. It's very different and and so many. And this mainboard has EMS memory. And the next, the laser output control. And can regulate the laser power from 1 to 100% according to the different materials. And the interface is USB 2.0. And under the test, you can see 3 pictures. And on the left is Wi-Fi control. And the model is mobile app. And if our customers want to choose it, you can choose. And the panel we used is 6442S, and we can update to RDC 6445Z. And this picture is USB interface. With USB interface and USB cable. And this is the linear guide rod. Our machine has the linear guide rod about X and Y axis. And this brand linear guide rod with high precision and long life. And this is our distribution cabinet. And in the picture, we have so many parts in this cabinet. And this is mainboard, switch power supply, and the laser power supply. And this is driver, And this is filter. And this is electric up and down. This is platform lifting. And different materials with different sets. You can use this function to get more working space. And this function is front and back feeding doors. And if you want to cutting or engraving long materials, you can use this function. It's very suitable for us. And this is ampermeter. As we said, we use the software is Corel and CAD. We can use this software to design different pictures. And this is the interior picture. And on the top, this one is standard rotary. And the next is simple rotary. You can choose this one. You can choose between this one. And rotary picture is usually applied in advertisement and craft work. And if you want to use this rotary, and it needs working together with motor with the up and down system. And this is the water chiller. And we use the best brand in China. And the function is for cooling the laser tube. And this is exhaust fan. This is the exhaust fan. And it can remove the smoke and dust the case during engraving and cutting. And this is water protection. It will protect the laser tube. And this is the waste disposal driver. It will collect the sample. And this picture is our machine. It's behind our machine. And this is a laser tube producing. And this is the front and the back feed. And you can use this where to install the exhaust fan. And you can use this lead to connect the water chiller. And our customers have different certificates, such as CE, FDA, and ISO. We can export to so many countries. And this picture is our product details. And the model is FST1390. And you can choose 2 work table, honeycomb, and blade. And the working area is 1,300 and 900. And the laser power, you can choose different. And you can use the up and down work table. The power supply, but you can choose 220 and 109. The control configuration is DSP. And you must to use the water cooling. And this is the weight. And about this picture, it's very and it's standard with our machine. It's standard with our machine. And if you bought our machine, we can take these accessories to you. This is eye pump, simile water pump, toe protection, deadline, CD or UDESK, focus length ruler. And this is power tool, toolbox, exhaust fan, curtain view, instruction manual, and the other accessories you can choose. This is simple rotary axis. This is standard rotary axis. And this is S&A watcher. And you can choose different models. And this machine is 1390. And we have different working area, laser power and working table. This application is engraving and cutting on acrylic, wood, fabric, cloth, leather, and so on. You can cutting and engrave most of non-metal materials. And about this machine, it's very widely used including suits, language, computer, model, electric appliances, toys, and so on. And this picture is from our company sample. This material about acrylic, wood, paper, and so on. You can engrave and cutting different models. And this is our picking delivery. As you can see, we use the wooden box. It's very safe for us. And this is our good reviews. It's very truly in our website. All have 5 stars. And the truly discount. This all true thing. And this machine is 1390. We have different models. If you want to inquire for, if you want to buy other models, you can inquire for us.